We are right now at the Uri sector where people have started reapproaching their villages that were evacuated earlier during the ceasefire violations from Pakistan. And when ceasefire was maintained, people were relieved and they wanted to return to homes. But the impact of the trust that was lost with Pakistan after it once again started firing along the line of control at several places is that now the security agencies are making people understand that they must wait for some time, let the security assessment be done and then move back to their homes. There is a huge jam. This is the gathering of the people at the borders who want to return home, but they are being suggested that you can restore going back in a slow manner or just when the assessment is over. We'll ask some people who are here. ये आप लोग यहाँ पे खड़े हुए हैं, बहुत लंबा जाम यहाँ पे लगा है, गांव आपको वापस लौटना है, क्या कहा जा रहा है अभी?
देखिए, हमने पुलिस ऑफिशियल्स के साथ बात की थी, उनको बोला था कि हमें नीचे जाना है, बट मे भी कुछ सिक्योरिटी कंसर्न्स हो, इनको ऊपर से ही कुछ आदेश ऐसे हो कि ये
थोड़ा रुकना चाहिए।
नहीं, हाँ जी बिल्कुल, मे भी ये हमारी सेफ्टी के लिए कर रहे हैं, तो इस सिलसिले में अब ये बिल्कुल ये नीचे नहीं जाने दे रहे हैं।
आप बताइएगा कि काफ़ी भीड़ लगी है। मेरे कैमरा पर्सन नासिर, इफ़ यू कैन शो द काइंड ऑफ ट्रैफिक दैट इज़ हियर, द सिचुएशन दैट इज़ हियर, देयर इज़ अ लॉन्ग जैम ऑफ व्हीकल्स including the vehicles of people who want to return back to their villages and the police officials who are now stopping them. ये बताइएगा कि यहाँ पे रोका जा रहा है, क्या कहा जा रहा है?
ये एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन इसलिए रोक रही है, जो भी भोनियार से आगे रहते हैं उनके कारण अभी कुछ हो सकता है, कोई भी किसी भी जंगल में कुछ अभी गिरा हो सकता है, कोई भी विस्फोटक हो सकता है, इसलिए वो अभी बोल रहे हैं अभी नहीं जाना है, 1-2 दिन। एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन ने हमें हमारी सेफ्टी के लिए बोला है। लोग जो डेरों पे है इस टाइम रेंट पे कहीं रह रहा है, कोई हॉस्टल में रह रहा है, कोई कॉलेज में रह रहा है, उनसे एक ही गुजारिश करते हैं।
देर से ये जाम लगा हुआ है,
1-2 घंटे से जाम लगा है। हम उनसे यही गुजारिश करना चाहते हैं, जो भी उड़ी वाले भाई हैं, जो भी वहाँ से इधर आए हैं बारामूला की ओर, सोपोर की ओर, उनसे हम यही गुजारिश करना चाहते हैं, अभी आप 1-2 दिन स्टे बारामूला में कीजिए, जहां आप हो वहीं पे स्टे कीजिए। अभी घर जाने की कोशिश, हाँ, धीरे धीरे, जब तक एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन क्लियर ना करेगा।
Thank you. So you see, these are the people who've been told by the administration and also by the security forces that after what we experienced with Pakistan, that suddenly there was a ceasefire violation, there was drone attacks in the sky. So administration wants to keep people safe, that if ever Pakistan tries it once again, then people should not be at risk. And that's what the security personnel are trying to make these people understand who want to return obviously to their homes. They've been away from home since 4-5 days since the shelling was continuing. But here you see the situation of a jam. People are being told that wait for some time, wherever you are putting up, just be there and you can return safely after some time. आप लोगों को क्या कहा जा रहा है यहाँ पे?
बस ऐसे ही रुका के रखा है। पहले बोलना था, अगर नहीं इनको छोड़ना था, कोई निकलता ही नहीं, कोई डेरे पर था, कोई किसी जगह बैठा हुआ था, सबको दर-बदर किया है। यहाँ बच्चे हैं गाड़ियों में, औरतें हैं, कहाँ जाएंगी? न पीछे के रह गए न आगे के रह गए हम।
So this situation has emerged after Pakistan did not follow the ceasefire. It started firing along the line of control and international borders. So this is what we see, a long queue of the security. We can just try and take a word. Sir, आप लोगों ने यहाँ पे क्यों रोका है लोगों को?
क्या मैम? Actually, I am performing my duty. Let me perform.
Okay. So security officials are performing their duties. They are telling people that they are telling these people and trying to make them understand that there can be security concerns along the line of control. They must wait, let the assessment of security happen. Another very important point that these people are being told is that there can be some unexploded shells and they need to be sanitized before these people reach back their homes so that there is no risk to them. And this is one such place in the Uri sector where the Baramulla road is moving this side and the traffic is moving towards their homes. But there is a huge chaos here because people want to return back as early as possible. But the administration suggests that they should wait, let the assessment happen, let the sanitization of the place take place, and then you can be back your home. This is Shivani Sharma with camera person Nasir Aziz Khan for India Today from Uri sector.